सो लास्ट मंथ हमने एक रेसिपी रिलीज की जो थी ये दुबई की वायरल इफ्फाक चिकन। मिलियंस में व्यूज चले गए बोथ ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स पे। तो टीम में किसी ने कहा कि क्या इसको ग्रीन कर सकते हैं? जरूर कर सकते हैं, बनाते हैं इसे ग्रीन। दिस इज ग्रीन इफ्फाक चिकन। देखो, बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ रेसिपी बनाने में, वीडियो एडिट करने में, चिकन खरीदने में, मसाले खरीदने में। आप लोग से एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है मेरा, हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, लाइक करो वीडियो, शेयर करो, शेयर इट विद मोर पीपल like-minded like us.
Yes, I've heard that if you hit that subscribe button, you get about 100 years of good luck. Or maybe not. Anyways, for the chicken, we're using chicken leg pieces. This is the thigh and the drumstick attached.
अब सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चन आएगा, can we make this boneless? You can definitely make it boneless, but with bone में जो फ्लेवर आता है after cooking is much better. तो अगर आपको boneless करना ही है, use leg boneless. You will get a much better result than using just chicken breast.
The next step, we're going to start with the marination. Since it's a green chicken iffak, the paste we're going to make is obviously going to be hara, green. For this, in a mixer grinder goes in some fresh coriander leaves, some green chilies, garlic, roughly chopped ginger, some neutral vegetable oil, a splash of water, and that's it. This gets blended. Don't make it too smooth. You need to keep it to a slightly pesto type consistency, so that's why I'm just pulsing it over here. What will happen is the oil and the water will create this emulsion, which is exactly what you want. Now, if you're wondering why I added the oil and why didn't I add any mint leaves, let Nehal explain why he didn't.
अब इसका जो मैरिनेशन है 100% ग्रीन रखने की कोशिश है। There is no actual recipe for it. We're just improvising and using ingredients that are there in a kitchen, but making sure कि end में जब चिकन पकेगा it'll still have that green color to it. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि इसमें पुदीना क्यों नहीं डाला मैंने, according to me अगर पुदीना डालेंगे तो ये थोड़ा discolor या oxidization होने की chances है. Again, this is completely experimental, but ingredients are something that you will find in your kitchen very easily. Overall, I'm very confident कि end में this will taste really nice.
Anyway, moving on, we need to add some spices to our marination. We got some garam masala, some turmeric powder, a good squeeze of lemon juice, a little elaichi ka powder, some black pepper, some chaat masala and regular salt, and a good amount of feta hua dahi. Mix this all up to make this beautiful vibrant green masala, which you're going to marinate the chicken leg pieces with. And if you ever wonder to yourself, how long do I need to marinate the chicken? घबराओ मत, मैं बताऊंगा
कितना टाइम के लिए मैरिनेट करें। मैरिनेट कर सकते हैं मिनिमम एटलीस्ट 1 आवर, मिनिमम 1 आवर के लिए रख सकते हैं। बट इफ यू वांट लाइक बेटर फ्लेवर टू डेवलप, keep it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. Overnight भी चलेगा. It'll tenderize the chicken really nicely, but minimum 1 hour will do the job.
So yeah, the leg pieces go into the marination. Now you may think this is a lot of marination, but don't worry, we'll be cooking that extra marination in the pan as well. Make sure you coat the chicken really well with the masala, let it get into all the cuts, and just let this sit on the side. Now this egg sauce is pretty similar to the one we did in the original reel.
तो chicken marinate हो रहा है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप लोग का काम खत्म हो गया है। Let's make that egg का sauce that needs to be made. It's very similar to जो हमने बनाया था in the first recipe. We're going to keep it exactly the same. एक question आया था कि can we make the sauce without egg? Definitely you can make this without the egg. But my question to you guys is, if you can eat chicken, then why can't you eat egg? जवाब दो कोई। बट आई जेन्युइनली फील कि इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अगर अंडा नहीं डालना है, you can completely skip it.
We're just gonna take the whites of the boiled eggs along with some cream cheese, a little cream, some garlic cloves, and a little bit of milk. I'm not adding processed cheese this time because I just don't have it at home, but you can definitely add it. Make it into a smooth sauce like this. And it's always a good idea to taste anything that you make because mistakes can happen.
नमक डालना भूल गया। डालो नमक, अगर नहीं बताया तो भी नमक ज्यादा डालना है, वहां डाल दो। Don't be like me. Okay, 2 hours later, we're finally ready to cook this. Now before आप सब comments में जाके comment करो, इसे air fry कैसे करते हैं? I will solve that. मैं solve करूंगा वो problem, आपकी tension मत लो। इसका एक step बाकी है, इसको pan पे भी पकाएंगे और एक पीस जो है हम air fryer में करेंगे। You can decide which one you want to cook from that. वो decision आपकी, full freedom है, आपको बनाओ जैसे बनाना है। सिर्फ धूप में मत रख देना, पकने के लिए नहीं पकेगा। एंड चले लास्ट स्टेप इसका कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं। लेट्स गो।
So the next step is smoking. We got some hot coal in this katori over here. Gonna add some whole spices to this and a little bit of ghee to this. Let it smoke, cover this and let this sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are finally ready to cook. So as I said, we're gonna cook this on the pan and in the air fryer. For the pan, we just heat up some oil along with some butter. Get it nice and hot, add the chicken and then reduce the heat to medium. Let it slowly just color nicely. Add some of that extra marination just over the chicken. Let it coat. In about 3 minutes, you'll get a nice color happening at the bottom. At this moment, we're just gonna flip this over. That looks so good. A little more of that marination. Now we need to cover this and cook this. So reduce the heat to a medium low. Splash a little bit of water on top. Cover it with the lid and let this fry and steam and cook and become lovely.
ठीक है, तवा पे चिकन पक जाएगा. अब बात करते हैं एयर फ्रायर वालों की, जिन्हें एयर फ्रायर से लगाव है, बहुत प्यार है अपने एयर फ्रायर से. उनके बारे में भी सोच लेते हैं. Let's cook this in an air fryer.
Now my air fryer is an oven and air fryer combo, but either way the cooking will be similar. Just place this onto your tray or your air fryer basket. You can brush the bottom with a little bit of oil. Scoop some of that marination over the chicken and just let this go in the air fryer. What temperature should they do this at, Nihal?
You're cooking this in the air fryer, 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. 18 minutes, 16 to 18 minutes is enough for the chicken to cook through and through. अगर डर लग रहा है तो 20-22 मिनट भी कर लो, चिकन पक जाएगा. बट 18 minutes is a good time frame for the chicken to cook nicely, get a nice color as well. If you're using a smaller air fryer, chances are कि थोड़ा और जल्दी कलरिंग आ जाएगा, तो टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. You can do it at around 160-170 के आसपास. But always keep an eye on it. Every air fryer is different. Everything heats differently in different products. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि ये एयर फ्रायर दिखाएगा 180, but अंदर होगा सिर्फ around 170 के आसपास. And sometimes it's 180 and it might go, the temperature might be 185 as well. So it's always good to understand your air fryer or oven. But 18 to 19 minutes is a good enough time frame.
Finally, the chicken in the pan looks gorgeous. It is time for that egg sauce that we had prepared. Just scoop this over it and cover it for at least 2 minutes. The air fry one is done as well. Again, we repeat with that egg sauce and let this air fry for another 2 minutes. And within that time, your dish is done. Masala has cooked beautifully. Gonna finish it off with some chili flakes and coriander. Serve this along with some sliced onions. Now instead of a green chutney, this time we prepared a red chutney because the chicken is green. And finally it's time to plate and enjoy the dish. It's something that can be made really quickly. Now if you're wondering how it tasted, where can I get the detailed written recipe, मैं taste कैसा ये भी बताऊंगा and कहाँ recipe मिलेगी ये भी बताऊंगा.
ये ग्रीन मसाला मुझे पहले वाले वर्जन से बेटर लगा है. आप चाहे तो इसे इफ्तार के लिए भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. It's a great recipe to make. That is my time for today. मुझे भूख लग रही है. Detailed recipe जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, check it out. If you have any questions of preparing this या कुछ confusion हो रहा है, just write it down in the comments or let me know on Instagram. I'll definitely help you guys out. अब टाइम है ये खत्म करने की. मैं जा रहा हूँ. बंद कर दो लाइट वाइट सब. बाय.